that, Max. Go faster for this last one. A little faster. There you go. Oh yeah, good job. Here's Max in the half pipe. Skiing it like a champ. I can hardly even keep up with him. 4 years old. February 2012. He's getting ready for Winter X Games. Making good turns in the half pipe. Oh yeah.